Hi there, it's Grant here, and in this video what I'm going to do is I'm going to share 5 effective but powerful ways you can make money off the whole AI boom. Now if you don't know what AI is all about, well, basically a company called ChatGPT, or product called ChatGPT, launched, which is basically an intelligent AI content generating tool. And since this product released last November, the whole AI thing has just absolutely blown up. It spawned a new industry and brought it to the mainstream. ChatGPT is now I think the fastest growing tech company in history. It's got over 100 million users in under 5 months. ChatGPT has over 25 million monthly searches, and new AI tools are coming out daily. So it's no wonder people are scrambling to figure out ways of how to make money from AI. And in this video, I'm going to show you 5 powerful ways of how you can actually make money with AI, either as a side hustle or as a full-time business. Now, some are going to be easy and some are going to be a little hard, and one is the hardest, but it will make you the most money. So with that said, also, just before I go on with a video, I've seen a load of videos recently about how to make money with AI, and I'll be honest with you, a lot of them I don't think are any good, because a lot of them have an ulterior motive. But I'm just going to list what I think are the 5 fastest, and well, not necessarily the fastest, the 5 best ways that I can think of how you can monetize the AI boom and piggyback on probably what is going to be the fastest growing industry in the next 10 years. So with that said, let's get on with the video. So I'm actually in ChatGPT. Now ChatGPT, as I said, over 25 million searches a month. It's probably one of the most used applications out there. Everyone is talking about it and everyone is using it. But a lot of people are trying to figure out how to make money from ChatGPT. Unfortunately, it doesn't have an affiliate program, so we can't promote it. Should have been awesome. But so how can we monetize ChatGPT? I've been thinking about this, and actually seeing so many people are using it, I think business number 1 or idea number 1 that you can use to make money from AI and ChatGPT is to become an expert in ChatGPT and teach people how to use it. Now, in order to use ChatGPT to its full potential, you need to learn something called prompt engineering. All prompt engineering is learning how to speak to ChatGPT effectively, so ChatGPT can spit you out the best content possible. So business number 1 is become an expert in ChatGPT and teach people how to use ChatGPT. The easiest way to do this is to create a YouTube channel, teach people prompt engineering, how to talk to ChatGPT, upload free content that gives value, and then maybe create a course around ChatGPT and prompt engineering about how to teach people how to use this tool in order to get massive, to get the most from it. You could do simple little paid reports, or you could do a full-blown course, or you could also do coaching and consulting. Obviously, this is going to take a bit of time because you've got to learn how to use this properly and become an expert. You can teach yourself. There's loads of resources out there about how to use ChatGPT and prompt engineering. But I think if you want to jump on the ChatGPT boom, this is a great way, because what you can do is create a YouTube channel, rank all of your videos, or optimize them using YouTube SEO, which is actually very easy to do. Optimize them all for ChatGPT and all the related keywords, chuck out free content, and then if people want more help, you can promote your courses, reports, products, or your coaching and consulting in the description. I think this is probably the smartest way of how to grow a business off the back of ChatGPT and potentially build a really nice business from it. So that is business number 1. Now, the second one is going to make you the most money, but it is the hardest. The next one is to create your own AI tool business, just like ChatGPT. Now, this is going to be very hard because obviously, if you want to launch your own AI business. This is a company called, or website called Futurepedia. These are all the new AI tools that are launching to the world every single day. I think they've got over 130,000 AI tools on there, so you can see, just how many new tools are launching. So idea number 2 is the hardest, but it could make you a multi-millionaire or maybe even a billionaire if you create the next ChatGPT. It's create your own AI tool or application. Obviously, if you want to do this, you've got no idea what to do. The best way to do is go out there, think about it yourself. What problems can you solve with an AI tool? If you can think of anything and you think of a great idea, the best way to do it at the moment is think around AI generated content, AI websites, anything that can automate something, chatbots. So basically if you could create an AI chatbot that helps businesses basically lessen their need for customer research, all these AI bots will talk to customers and directing them and helping them. Think along those lines. What problem can you solve that isn't currently being solved, that you can create an AI tool around, that you can sell to the world, either to B2C, to consumers, or more likely to businesses. Come here, have a look, see if it triggers any idea. If you do want to start a business, you're going to have to find a founder who's good with coding and all that. Try and get a minimum viable product up. Try and get a few customers, and then you can go for funding. Obviously, this is very hard to do, but if you want to retire a multi-millionaire and maybe even a billionaire and latch onto this fastest growing industry, if you want to be super rich, create your own AI tool. Hard to do, but the rewards if you pull it off would be massive. Now, the next one is you could create the next TechCrunch for AI tools. TechCrunch was launched I think 10-15 years ago, and its whole ethos was to latch on to the startup and tech industry. You could create the next TechCrunch for AI. So basically you could talk about all the AI technologies, tools, all of that, and obviously once you get traction, you can either sell advertising or promote affiliate products on the website and stuff like that. This is a great idea. Obviously, it's not easy to do again because you're going to have to create the website. You're going to have to create a lot of content. You're going to have to get traction. But once you do get traction, one day in the future, you could either, just keep it, make money from advertising and affiliate offers. But in the day, someone might buy you out. I do believe TechCrunch was sold by the original owner for over 25-50 million. So yeah, create the next TechCrunch for AI. Now, the next one is you can create your own AI clothing brand. I think this is going to be huge. So basically what you can do is you can use tools like Canva, Midjourney and others to create really cool images really quickly, feature images, come to, sort of like, a print-on-demand company, upload your images and start selling them on, your own Shopify store or Etsy. So basically how this works, you can come to Canva, they've got their own AI image generator tool, which is free. You can click on this, which will bring you to this, and then you can just type in what you want ever. So you can type in future. So this is just an example. So we could say magical. So if you want to create a really futuristic clothing brand, magical future world. Let's see what Canva throws up. This is actually a really cool tool. So, let's see what else it comes up with. So yeah, you could just pick this. You can play around with it. Add it here. I'm just doing this with one hand. Just come here, size it up. This is just, not the best image, but if you find something you like, you download it, just click here, just click download, come to a print-on-demand company, open an account, upload your images and add them to your mugs, t-shirts, hoodies, or whatever, and start your own AI brand. But another thing you can do is you could create an AI brand sort of like around AI tools. So if you've got, say, a YouTube channel, you're talking about AI tools, and you've got a website, you could, to monetize your YouTube views and traffic you get, you could create your AI tools brand. So you could type in here, let me see what it comes up with. Funny AI tools. See what comes up with. I'm just going to type in funny AI tools image. Let's get rid of this. So yeah, so basically you could sort of, here we go. I mean, this is a bit weird, but you could create your own AI tools brand, where basically you build a brand around your YouTube channel, you're reviewing maybe AI tools, and you can monetize that by creating your AI clothing brand. Just create your own images, slogans, and the people who follow your YouTube channel, will buy it, and you can grow a brand off that, or just create your own images using AI and create a future brand. So this is a really cool business because you can start this really quickly. You can come into an app like Canva. You can see how easy it is to create images, or if you don't like Canva, use another one like Midjourney is quite cool. You can create really awesome AI generated images that look magical. Come to something like Printify, open an account, upload your images, add them to your clothing, either sell them on Etsy or sell them, create your own Shopify store, sell them on Shopify, and promote them using either social media or YouTube. It's as simple as that. And also give you a little bonus one. You can also create AI generated images, maybe on Midjourney, really high quality ones, and you can sell that AI image or art, and you can sell them on places like Etsy and allow people to download them to use them. So yeah, a lot of money making opportunity here. Now the last one I think is the easiest to get going and can potentially make you a lot of money, and it's something I do, is to become an affiliate and promote AI tools. And it's amazingly or surprisingly simple how to do this. Now, if you come to a company like Futurepedia, all of these tools here, they're going to have paid for plans. I mean, there's over 100,000 tools on this. So yeah, let's look at something like Jasper. I promote Jasper. So you can come, say if you like Jasper, you go here and join Jasper's affiliate program. You can basically review that product, create a YouTube channel, which is an AI tool reviewing channel, review all these AI tools, rank them using YouTube videos for the product name like Jasper AI, and basically put your affiliate link in the description and start making money. I mean, this is the best way of how to monetize AI or make money from AI tools, is to become an affiliate and promote the tools that you like. So come to a website, Futurepedia directory, come and have a look at all of these tools, join a few if they've got affiliate programs and you like the tools. Create a YouTube channel and start promoting these tools by doing product reviews on YouTube, rank them, sort of rank the YouTube videos for the product name, and you will start bringing in commissions. Now, this isn't, going to be overnight. It's going to probably take you up to 30 days to get going, but once your videos start ranking, you start getting traction, and you're genuinely helping people with your videos, surprising how quickly the commissions can start rolling in. Anyway, that's what I've got for you. Those are your 5 ways of how you can make money from AI tools and ChatGPT. I think these are the 5 best opportunities you can use now to make money from AI and ChatGPT. So if you like the video, why not like it? Why not subscribe to the channel for more content like this? Now, if you want to learn of how I run my own affiliate marketing business, only working 10 hours per week, making anywhere from $200 to $1,000 a day, I've created a free masterclass where I walk you through how I run my business, how I use YouTube, YouTube videos to make $200 to $1,000 a day, how to rank YouTube videos, and also the best tools that I think are to promote now as an affiliate. If you want to watch my affiliate marketing masterclass, the 10-hour affiliate, I'll link to it down in the description below. Anyway, that is what I've got for you. I hope you found the video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.